In a world where fast internet is no longer a luxury but a necessity, Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro 6E stands out as the pinnacle of home networking. If you're tired of slow speeds, weak connections, or constant buffering, the Nest Wi-Fi Pro 6E is the game-changing solution you've been waiting for. Designed to deliver unparalleled performance with cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6E technology, it promises lightning-fast speeds, expansive coverage, and seamless connectivity no matter the size of your home. Why choose Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro 6E? With more devices than ever relying on a strong, stable internet connection, it's essential to have a Wi-Fi system that can handle the demand. Here's why Nest Wi-Fi Pro 6E should be your top choice. Super fast speeds with Wi-Fi 6E technology. Nest Wi-Fi Pro is up to 2x faster than Wi-Fi 6, offering unprecedented speeds and reliability. The advanced Wi-Fi 6E technology brings you the latest in wireless performance, allowing you to enjoy fast speeds for everything from streaming in 4K to smooth video calls and gaming without lag. Expansive coverage for large homes. With 3 Wi-Fi routers included in the Nest Wi-Fi Pro 6E 3-pack, you can cover up to 6,600 square feet of space. Whether you live in a large house, a multi-story apartment, or a sprawling estate, this system ensures that every corner of your home gets reliable, high-speed internet. You can even customize the setup to match your home's layout and needs. Advanced self-optimizing features. Nest Wi-Fi Pro is smarter than your average router. It automatically adjusts your Wi-Fi performance based on activity, ensuring that critical tasks like video calls, video streaming, and gaming always get the bandwidth they need. This means you'll never experience buffering during an important call or stuttering during your favorite show. Seamless connectivity with tri-band support. This Wi-Fi system includes 3 bands, 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and the new 6 GHz band, to provide optimal speeds across all your devices. The 6 GHz band helps reduce congestion and interference, which means faster speeds for everything you do. Robust security features. Protecting your home network from hackers and malicious software is essential, and Nest Wi-Fi Pro has your back. With secure booting and automatic software updates, the system ensures that your network remains protected from unauthorized access and security threats. Plus, it shows all the devices connected to your Wi-Fi, allowing you to easily pause access for any unknown or unauthorized devices. Easy setup and management. Setting up a home Wi-Fi network has never been easier. The Google Home app walks you through the entire process, so you can get your Nest Wi-Fi Pro up and running in just a few minutes. The app also lets you manage your network from anywhere, create guest networks, and even prioritize devices to ensure faster speeds where you need them most. Self-diagnosis and troubleshooting. No more wasting time troubleshooting issues manually. Nest Wi-Fi Pro can monitor itself, diagnose common problems, and even resolve some issues on its own. This feature ensures that your network is always performing at its best without requiring constant intervention. Pros and cons of the Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro 6E. Pros: unmatched speed. With Wi-Fi 6E, the system delivers lightning-fast speeds even in large homes. Superior coverage. The 3-pack system covers up to 6,600 square feet, ideal for big homes. Effortless setup. The intuitive Google Home app makes setup a breeze. Security at its best. Automatic updates and secure booting protect your network from external threats. Advanced technology. Tri-band support and automatic network adjustments ensure top-tier performance. Self-diagnosing. The system can troubleshoot and solve common issues without manual intervention. Cons. Wi-Fi 6E exclusivity. The Nest Wi-Fi Pro 6E is not compatible with older generations of Google Wi-Fi or Nest Wi-Fi. Higher price point. While the performance justifies the cost, it may be a bit more expensive than some traditional routers. Limited Ethernet ports. Each router has only one Ethernet port, which may be limiting for users who need multiple wired connections. Conclusion. This Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro 6E offers the ultimate Wi-Fi experience for anyone looking to enhance their home network. With faster speeds, broader coverage, and advanced security features, it's a standout option for modern households. Whether you're streaming, gaming, working from home, or simply browsing the web, this system ensures you have a reliable and fast connection every time. Ready to elevate your internet experience? Click the link in the description below to view the full product specifications and make the Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro 6E yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.